Hello traders, my name is Yaroslav Birchenko. I'm the Chief Market Analyst at OlympTrade.com, and today I have an extra special video for you guys today about the Stochastic RSI. Now this is a very powerful indicator. It allows you to trade at a glance and it gives you some reliable trade signals throughout the day. So let's get into it. The first thing I want to tell you guys is about the creators, the people who originally came up with this idea, two gentlemen by the name of Stanley Kroll and Tushar Shandi. Now, the stochastic RSI is a hybrid, like I said before, of the stochastic oscillator and the relative strength index. They are the best of these two indicators and allows you to get more signals throughout the day and allows you to see a change of trend exactly when it is happening. So it is something that allows you to trade off of oversold and overbought levels. Now, to talk a little bit more about the RSI, I personally use the RSI, and there are a lot of times when the indicator doesn't give me a trade signal. For a really long time, the market 70% of the time stays consistently within a consolidation. And so traders who want to open positions throughout the day, those people that are trading intraday, they need more signals, they need more trade entries, and the RSI indicator in and of itself does not give you that much. So the stochastic RSI is a hybrid, and it's designed specifically to increase the sensitivity and the accuracy, which is what I'm after. I need more accuracy for my trades. A little bit about Stanley Kroll. He was a trader for Merrill Lynch in the 1950s. He also was the author of Entry into Technical Analysis for the Modern Trader, something of that sort. He was a very respected trader in his time, and he built his success on nerves of steel and patience. He used to keep a book in his drawer titled Memoirs of the Exchange Speculator, and there was a particular line: having spent many years on Wall Street and having made and lost millions of dollars, I want to tell you this: I never made a lot of money from my mind. It was always my patience. Do you understand it? It was my ability to sit and wait. And that's what I try to get across to all of our traders, is that your job is to look for one good trade. That's all you need to do. Mike Billafury wrote it in a beautiful book titled One Good Trade, where all he did was talk about that. A trader should patiently sit and wait. Now, let's talk about what the indicator looks like. This is it right here on this screen. It's a line that jumps between levels, much like we have on the stochastic indicator. The RSI indicator, relative strength index, can only give you one signal with a strong and clear trend, so we need to be trending in order to get that really good signal. The stochastic RSI indicator can give you multiple signals and actually outlines volatility range as well, which is another added benefit. It combines two indicators, and the increased number of signals can also give you bad entry signals. So you have to screen and watch and confirm your signals with other data that you have on the market. And you need to be very careful and cautious. As you guys can see, in the span of a few months, which is what we have here on the graph, there were a lot of buy and sell, and some of them are really close together. And so that really makes you wonder, how reliable is that signal? So the trade signals that come out of this are very, very simple. Here we have two lines. This is the 80% line, or 0.8, and this is the 0.2 line. Every time price is above or below those lines, so in this area here or in this area here, then that is considered overbought and oversold. You don't want to be trading in that area. You want to trade when the price comes back down into the working area. So this cross right here, if we have a look, it is the exact time when price shifted momentum, and then we had a move down lower. Same thing here at the bottom when we have a cross back into the area here. So this area is what I'm looking at. A cross back up from being oversold. If we look up on the graph, if we look up back on the graph, this is the area where price has actually already started moving up. So to me, a trader that loves to trade impulses, I want the price already to be in action, already to be moving, breaking daily highs. And this indicator confirms that bias, that trade sentiment that I have over the instrument. So just a few more words about this. Trading commodities, trading in general, is partly science and partly art, because you do have to consider your actions may be incorrect, and that happens quite often. Information is key. So I want to, or it's not my example, it's Stanley Kroll's example. Take cocoa, for example. Almost all of it grows in China, or excuse me, in Ghana and Nigeria. The information coming from these two countries is released by their cocoa marketing departments, that they are what they seem to be. These are the tools to get the best price for their cocoa producers. That's what we should use as traders. Same thing when we look at data from the Energy Information Administration from the United States, any kind of OPEC meeting. When you have information that is straight from the source, this information obviously is very important to your trading, and it's also that what you want to concentrate most on. What you have secondhand off investing.com, off Bloomberg, off Reuters, whatever your source of information is, again, that is second or third grade information, because it comes from one person that is passed on to another. By the time you read it, everybody's had a chance to look at it. The editors, the middlemen, and of course that information has already played out on the markets. So that is why, first of all, we trust technical analysis, because it's what's happening here and now. And second of all, we want to have the best access to information that we can, obviously getting it from the source. So let's have a look at what the indicator looks like on our cell phone app. So this is the Android version of the Olymp trade platform, and in order to put on the RSI, stochastic RSI indicator, we click up here in the indicators option. This is an oscillator, not an indicator. It is an indicator, but it's an oscillator. And I also want to show you guys what the RSI looks like. Let's add that to the chart. What the stochastic looks like, stochastic oscillator looks like, and then what the stochastic RSI looks like. So we're going to have a lot of indicators on our graph. So here we go. Well, it looks like we have two stochastics for some reason. Let's go ahead and have a look at that again. So stochastic oscillators, RSI, it's really strange. They really should not be looking the same. So these are two stochastics. It looks like, excuse me, this looks very closely to what the stochastic RSI looks like. Let's get rid of all the other indicators and just focus on the stochastic RSI. So you want to keep the options standard at, I believe it was 12.33, 14.33. So every time price drops down below the 80% line, going from top to bottom, that's a sell signal. And then every time we grow from the bottom to top, that is a buy signal. So very simple to use. You can have a look at your graphs using the daily graph over the course of a few minutes, 10 to 15 minutes, to have a look at the main assets that you are looking to trade during the day, and put on trades for a few hours and then come back later. It's a very good, powerful indicator. Like I said, I use the RSI personally in my kit of indicators that I use, and it has proven itself over the years to be a highly effective tool. That's it for today's video, you guys. I wish you guys good luck trading. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so that you guys can get all of our latest videos. And I want to invite you guys to my webinar that is going to be next week on Thursday. Every Thursday I stream and have question and answer periods with my traders. You guys are welcome to attend that. There's a lot more information that I can give you guys. So thank you for your time. I wish you guys good luck trading out there, and see you next time. Peace.